Welcome to our channel only for seniors. I'm Dr. Eric John, a physician who has dedicated his career to helping seniors over 60 live healthier, stronger, and more independent lives right here in the United States. Today, we're talking about a topic that affects millions of older adults but is often overlooked: how to keep your joints and muscles strong after 60. Because let's be honest, aches, stiffness, and weakness can make everyday life harder. But the good news is that with the right approach, you can fight back against those challenges and enjoy the freedom of movement for many years to come. Part 1. Why strength and joints matter after 60. As we age, our bodies naturally begin to change. After 60, muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, can sneak up on us. It's the reason carrying groceries feels heavier, standing up from a chair is slower, and walking long distances becomes tiring. At the same time, joints, especially the knees, hips, shoulders, and spine, may feel stiffer because the cushioning cartilage wears down and arthritis becomes more common. But here's the truth: losing strength and joint health isn't something you just have to accept. Science shows that seniors who keep moving, even with gentle and safe exercises, can protect their muscles, strengthen their bones, and reduce joint pain. In other words, motion is lotion for the body. Part 2. The secret power of movement. I've met so many patients in my practice who believed it was too late to exercise. They told me, "Doc, my knees are bad, I can't work out anymore." But when they started with just a few gentle movements, chair exercises, light stretches, simple balance work, their bodies began to change. They felt stronger, slept better, and even reduced their medications. The secret isn't doing extreme workouts. It's about finding the right movements, the ones that are safe for your age, your joints, and your abilities. That's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. Part 3. Safe warm-up for seniors. Before we jump into specific exercises, let's talk about warming up. Just like a car engine runs better when warmed, your body performs better when the muscles are loosened and the joints are gently prepared. Here's a 5-minute warm-up you can do at home. Neck rolls. Slowly roll your head side to side, easing tension. Shoulder circles. Lift and roll your shoulders backward and forward. Arm swings. Swing your arms gently across your chest like you're giving yourself a hug. March in place. Lift your knees one at a time slowly, swinging your arms. That's it. No special equipment, no stress. Just 5 minutes of motion to wake up your body. Part 4. Simple strength exercises for muscles. Now, let's talk about building muscle after 60. Strength is your best defense against aging. Strong muscles protect your joints, improve your balance, and give you independence. Here are some doctor-approved, joint-friendly strength exercises. 1. Chair squats. Sit in a sturdy chair. Cross your arms or hold them out. Stand up slowly, then sit back down. Repeat 8 to 10 times. This strengthens your thighs, hips, and core, the muscles you need most for independence. 2. Wall push UPS. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands flat on the wall, shoulder width apart. Bend your elbows and lean in, then push back. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This works your chest, arms, and shoulders without stressing the joints. 3. Seated leg lifts. Sit tall in a chair. Lift one leg straight out, hold for 5 seconds then lower. Repeat 8 times per leg. Great for strengthening thighs and stabilizing knees. 4. Bicep curls with light weights. Hold a light dumbbell or water bottle. Curl your arms up slowly then lower. Repeat 10 to 12 times. This builds arm strength for carrying groceries or opening jars. 5. Heel raises. Hold onto a chair for balance. Lift your heels up, stand on your toes, then lower. Repeat 12 to 15 times. This strengthens calves and improves balance. Part 5. Protecting your joints with flexibility. Strength is important, but joints also need flexibility to stay healthy. Tight muscles pull on your joints and make stiffness worse. That's why stretching is just as important as strengthening. Here are a few gentle stretches you can do daily. Hamstring stretch. Sit on a chair, extend one leg out straight, lean forward gently. Hold 20 seconds. Calf stretch. Stand with one leg forward, one leg back. Press your heel into the floor. Hold 20 seconds. Shoulder stretch. Cross one arm across your chest. Hold gently with your other arm. Hold 20 seconds. Neck stretch. Tilt your head sideways toward your shoulder. Hold 15 seconds per side. These stretches reduce stiffness and help you move more easily. Part 6. Balance training. One of the biggest risks after 60 is falling. Falls can lead to fractures, hospital stays, and loss of independence. But the good news? Balance can be trained, just like muscles. Here are simple balance exercises. Single leg stand. Hold onto a counter, lift one foot slightly, and hold for 10 seconds. Tandem walk. Walk heel to toe across the room like you're on a balance beam. Side steps. Steps sideways across the room and back. Do these every day, and you'll feel steadier when walking or climbing stairs. Part 7. Recovery and listening to your body. Here's something I tell all my patients. Exercise should make you feel better, not worse. After 60, recovery is just as important as exercise. If you feel sharp pain, stop. If you feel mild soreness, that's normal. It means your muscles are working. Drink water, eat protein, and rest. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Part 8. The lifestyle connection. Exercise is powerful, but it works even better when combined with healthy habits. Nutrition. Eat enough protein, chicken, fish, beans, eggs, to rebuild muscles. Hydration. Water keeps your joints lubricated. Sleep. Muscles repair when you rest. Consistency. Doing a little bit every day is better than doing a lot once in a while. Part 9. Inspiring story. I want to share a quick story. One of my patients, Mr. Robert, age 72, told me he could barely walk to his mailbox without pain. He thought it was just aging. But when we started chair squats, wall push-ups, and short walks, something incredible happened. Within 6 months, Robert was walking 2 miles a day, his knee pain had dropped, and he told me, "Doc, I feel 10 years younger." The lesson? It's never too late to start. Part 10. Final motivation. My friends, aging is inevitable, but weakness and stiffness don't have to be. By doing just 15 to 20 minutes of these simple exercises most days, you can protect your joints, rebuild your muscles, and enjoy a life full of independence and energy. So start today. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching today's episode of Only for Seniors. I'm Dr. Eric John, reminding you that every step you take, every small exercise you do, is an investment in your independence and your happiness. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this with a fellow senior who deserves to feel stronger. Stay strong, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.